Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of using our oils topically and using them in rollerballs. So you might have a lot of different rollerballs floating around your home. I know we've got lots. We've got this one here is our belly blend. This one here is for bug bites. We love to use rollerballs in our home. It's a really fast and convenient way of using oils, and it's just really convenient because it's not messy. You're not getting all the oils all over your hands. So we love diffusing, okay? Diffusing oils is an amazing way of getting the aromatic benefits of essential oils. But let's face it, we can't always carry our diffuser with us everywhere we go. Some of us are spending all day, long hours in an office, and maybe just can't take the oils with you or can't take your diffuser with you. So rollerballs are an amazing way to get the therapeutic benefit of the essential oils. So I'm going to show you a way that we can make rollerballs that are super fast and convenient. Some common uses or some common reasons why we might use the rollerballs is for if you have conditions in your home or you have certain oils that you're using on a daily basis or you're using them several times a day, it's really convenient to put them in a rollerball. So for example, in the springtime, when the pollens come out on the trees and we've got itchy, watery eyes, stuffy nose, and we're using lemon, lavender, and peppermint like 3, 4, 5 times a day to combat those seasonal feelings that we're experiencing, then having it in a rollerball is a really, really convenient way, especially because you can't always take your diffuser with you everywhere you go. In the wintertime, I have a rollerball that we use all the time. We call it our flu bomb. We use it for coughs, colds, stomach upset, anything like that, and we're using it constantly. So rather than opening up, so like in our flu bomb, for example, there's 5 different oils that we use in that. And so instead of opening up 5 different oils, getting some coconut oil on my hand, putting the 5 oils in and rubbing it on my children's feet, I like to make a really convenient rollerball. So today I'm going to be refilling my belly blend, and in the belly blend we have Zengest and Wild Orange. I just popped the lid off, and you can see the ball on the end there. I'm just going to grab a tissue or paper towel or something, or you can just grab a cloth and just pop the ball off. And whatever blend you're making, you'll have a recipe, right? Especially if you're a customer on my team, you have access to all of my rollerball recipes. If you don't have access to my rollerball recipes, send me a quick message, and if you're a customer on my team, I'll make sure that you get access to those rollerball recipes, because we have rollerball recipes for everything. We've got headaches and stiff muscles and sleep and acne, warts and skin tag removers. We've got flu bomb, we've got allergies, we've got, like, you name it, everything. Focus blend, I can't think of any more off the top of my head. But anyways, today we're refilling our belly blend, which is Zengest and Wild Orange. I don't have my recipe sheet on me right now, but I'm going to say it's 20 drops of each. So you take your Wild Orange, you take your roller bottle, and you just drip in 20 drops. All right, so that one came out quite quickly. You're going to do the same thing to your Zengest digestive blend. You're going to put in 20 drops. Just for sake of time on this video, I'm going to show you what I do once I've got the 20 drops of each in here. I'm going to take my fractionated coconut oil. Okay, I get this directly from doTERRA. It's basically liquid coconut oil. They've taken the fractions out of it that causes it to solidify at room temperature so that it always stays in liquid form. You obviously want that for your roller balls. And then you can get the neat little spray tops in your doTERRA back office. This one you can get from the US warehouse. And you just top it all up. And there you have it. There's our fancy little roller ball. Pop that ball back on. And there we go, we've refilled our rollerball. So if you need any tips or need any recipes, looking for something in particular for a particular health concern you have, shoot me a message and I'll be sure to get a recipe back to you. But now you can see how quick and easy it is to refill your rollerballs. Take care, everyone. Bye.